as you can see, yes, I ruined the restaurant. I really, really want a hair salon now. So we're going to fix this up and we're going to just start the hair salon. I really did like the booster seat. The booster seat was my end piece. Goodbye. Yes, I really did like this table. And I was thinking I could put it in my hair salon as a buttons back here where you could pay. Okay, we're for a lot of buttons, and here is another table. Like these two are gonna go together. Like I know these two. It's gonna be one big long table of these two. It's gonna be so cool. Okay, my brother, I let him run in. I let him have some more teacups. There's like several teacups. Okay, I have 3. I took one of his. I took it back. Yeah, there's another diamond. I chose like 6 diamonds. Yes, I worked really hard doing this, and then I destroyed it by trying to make something and playing a crazy game. And I used it for my person. And then it did not go well putting this back together. So bad. I'm just gonna... oh my gosh. I know I'm not just the day. Alright, that's better. Having my hair. Yes, I made this mirror with a sticker on it. It was so cute. And then last time I had a Lego, I made some books, but I destroyed the whole Lego. But my biggest Lego is right up there. Can't really see it because it's up the stairs. Alright, you see how I took everything out? Like this whole area is blank. I made this in the back, so it's just me. Whoa, this door can open. Okay. See, all of these products are in general. Right over here. Yeah, I got some back. I have some blackberries. It did not turn out how I wanted it to go. I just quit my restaurant. Okay, let's just get this. And then when we're all done with this, I'm pretty sure it will go well. Yes, I built. Well, first, my first house, that was pretty big. That was ginormous. This was the wall at the house, and it was so good. So I just teared it off quickly, and it ended up like this. This is yes. We were so close to running out of all the pieces because of me. I took all of them, close, but not all of them. We'll just I have all myself to support out. This was the set, yes. That's an ordinary lamp. Oh my god, I have no room to put this. I have no room. And now we're going to delicate these pieces off. Okay, I feel like I need a tool. Oh my gosh. Ow! Oh my gosh. Ouch! Okay, this is ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch! We're done. Alright, we are back. Let's look at the clog. I had no room to put it. Okay, I even asked Ronan if he had more room for my piano guy. But actually, I was no sure. So I was like, maybe I should put a band. And then I was like, no, it's not enough room on the stage. Don't like it's loud. It's so loud. Like restaurants, it's not so loud. It's not really so loud. Okay, just focus. Over here. This game piece up. We're gonna put all these challenging pieces away. Alright, we are. Okay, I can't lift my lid up. We need the title page. Sorry. We need the title page. I started crying. Okay. Ooh. My eyes are about to cry. Where's the door? Subscribe down below where you think the door should go. I think it should go here. Yes, it should go here. It should go there. So we're going to get this table out again, like I said. So we're going to. Oh, I'm saying. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, we're gonna have a little drink here. This is our churning. First thing we're going to build. When you walk in, you certainly have to do this. Then we need to put a little table set right here. And see if we can it looks much better like this. And then you can like twirl this thing. It looks so weird. No, the tree looks horrible. Alright, Alright, let's put that door there. And I'll just outline it. Let's just put this big glass window and see if it works. If I don't like it, then we'll just put this big wall. Let's see what this turns out. I think I like this better. I mean, nothing can hurt. I just like the glass window, I think. How about this? We'll put the glass window here. Yay. We'll put the glass window here. Cover it up with this. And we'll put a blue window here. That's how I decided how I want it to be. Alright, now we're gonna go to impression. I need a chair. We need a chair. We need a chair. We need a chair. Okay, I'm sorry. I really don't need that faucet. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go get something. Y'all, I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright, we are back, and I got some faucet pieces. They look so good. Okay, sorry. We need like a big bullet. We need a big bullet. I think I should use this piece. Yes, let's use this piece. The mullet starts here. I'm going to build a big wall over here. First, I want it to be suspicious, like when you walk into places and they have like the mirrors and all of that. I'm tired of this thing. Let's take this glass out. And we'll replace it with something else. I do really like this. Yes, I really like it. Let's just see how it turns out. Okay, now it won't turn like that. We'll have the first room over here. Whoa! Okay. Alright, doesn't it? Let's use this one real quick. We'll use this tile pieces. Alright, let's get back to the room. We'll need 2 of these. And then this door, we'll have to go bye-bye. Let's take these gate pieces. And we'll put them right here. We'll put the waiting room right over here. We'll put these handles right here. I think it looks better. We'll need some chairs. Let's take some chairs while we're at it. This one will be cute. It's a glow in the dark chair. How cool is that? Okay, finally we found a chair. Which you can stand. Hilarious is that? Okay, sorry. I feel like that looks so good. But you can't really see anyone. Okay, that looks unnecessary. There's more in there. Okay, that's weird. Alright, let's get started. I need this piece and this piece, but I also feel like I need 6 more. But no. Okay. Over here it looks pretty nice. We can put like this thing. I wish I had 4 of these. And we have 10 seconds. Alright, no, we don't have 10 seconds. Alright, let's just put this. I really don't know what to do. Okay. I'm gonna add a little TV over here. I don't know what to do about it though. Whoa. Look, we'll just put a wire right here. And We're almost finished. Well, no, we barely have that. Ta-da! They shot. Look at the heart. This is the most glowing piece I've ever seen. It looks so good. Alright! I really don't know what to do for the sitting room. Alright, I need to get a chair real quick. Oh, over here. Okay, let's just set this up. Alright, we are back. Oh, there's upstairs. This looks so good. Three fish look good. Wash me on my back. Wash me on the back. Ooh, this big round bucket would look so good. I used it for gumbo, but I'm sure I can use it for a faucet too. Now I'm so excited. Okay, I don't know why. Let's do some shampoo. When we're finished, I'm sure I can build a bottle. Alright, let's just do this. We are going to do, this could be like a little bar of soup. And there is the waiting room. Here's all the rooms. Over here, you'll be doing like here, over here. And there's like, alright, we will be needing some books if you don't mind. Okay. And this is some of our hairstyles. We have this one, which is very groovy, which I do like a little bit. Okay, I'm sorry. We'll need this big roll. We'll need that big red piece. And we'll put it there. There's our first one. Let's do another. This hairstyle looks really cute. But nah, it's not really our style. Oh wow, look at this one. This one will do great. I feel like I need something. I do need something. You guys see anything that looks just like a cylinder? A cylinder is this that's holding the hair. Is that what you want? A cylinder. Where's the cylinder? Look, this woman is walking down and she wants this hairstyle. This is a cylinder, and we need more of them. Oh, look, it's like a mini handbag. Did you hear that? So, Dad. I can hear that all the way from the other room. I just need a cylinder. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay. We have a cylinder. No, where's the cylinder? No, where's the cylinder? No, we have the cylinder now. Ouch! Sorry. I just need a cylinder. Oh, there it is. There's the cylinder. There's another cylinder. I'll help you out. We'll fix it in a minute. Here's another cylinder, but it's not really a cylinder. It's a curved rectangle, but it sort of looks like a cylinder. Now this was for the restaurant. From the restaurant. I feel like it should have one open window, and then we should cover it up. Let's put it back there. Let's put this window here. And then we'll need, I think, a few two pieces. If you see a two piece, then let me know. Got two already. Oh, there. There's some more. Thanks, guys. Hit the comment below. Whoops, maybe we'll need a few two pieces. That looks so much better. Okay, we still need a mullet. So let's get some more hairstyles. Ooh. Just what we need. Let's take these off. See how they look. They look awesome. This will do too. Ooh. So good. This is turning out much better than I thought it would. This is so good. Ouch. That hurt. This looks so good. This looks so good. Okay. Our first mullet right here. Let's try another one. Oh no! Oh, sorry. Get carried away. Let's put the closet. I really can't wait, but I really can't do it. This will do. This part keeps lifting. Maybe we can't use this part. Let's not. Sorry, I'm singing Tutti Frutti. It's in my head right now. I have an idea. Let's use this for prison. Actually, no, I don't want to use it for prison. There's one, something so good. We'll use it for the top. Oh, wow. This looks so good right now. Okay, sorry. Let's put a chair where we have to... Ooh. Well, we can't take everyone's hairstyles. There is no more hairstyles. What should we do? I have an idea. This woman's hair, bye-bye. Because you're having new hair now. And then instead of taking people's hair, we'll look inside of here. Alright, y'all. We're back after that. Alright, the seaweed looks ready. Okay. We need some hair pieces. Oh, whoa. I forgot about this person. We'll use her hair. Whoa! I think she'll be one of our customers too. I thought I ran out of bodies. 2 more to go. Actually, we're done. 2 hairstyles. Oh, well, we might need this for another thing. Finally! Okay, I can't sit down. I'm making this last part. Alright, let's put this last piece on and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, there's this piece too. There's this hair. Okay, that's the customers. Oh, look at all these hair pieces. I saw the hair pieces. Why is it funny? I swear Jasmine's hair is in here. Like, I swear. that was Jasmine's hair, but luckily I found like Elsa's hair, like it was curly. I found this from an Elsa thing that I built one time. There's so many of these things. There's so many. Just choose one. This one. I do want this and this. Then we'll make this part. We'll make it all together. I know this isn't good, but we have to try it. Oh no! Alright, let's put this on. And let's put these hair pieces on real quick. Oh, whoa! Alright. Move like that right over the bridge. Alright, let's add some seaweed. Right over here. We'll need a standard. And I know the standard that will do us. Let's put some seaweed over here in this corner. Ooh, we have starfish. Alright, we have to find more of these pieces. Alright. Alright. We'll use this. Herbies. Okay, now and we'll put this one too. Okay, we don't need the flour. Hey, no portion. This Airbnb can't join. Looks like you. This Airbnb can join. I'll put this over here. I will be taking this. We've got so many hair pieces. I feel like I should put every single one that I have. Okay, let's put this hair back on chart. looks much better. And my mullet. I really should put this one on. Actually, let's fill that in when we're done. I want to see how this turned out. Really bad. But I can't because then I'll flip it over. I'm breaking everything. Whoa. You guys. Wow. This is actually really cool. But we're not finished yet. Sorry. I'm so excited that we finished this. Okay, no, we didn't. Does anyone want a hairstyle like this? Whoa. I'll pass on this one. That one looks cool, but I really don't want it. I'll pass. No thanks. Ooh, this one looks cool. Now, our first step, we still... I didn't place this down at all. We still have to put these two diamonds. And I decided I'll take the green one and the yellow one for donuts. And I'll use the starfish. No, I'll use the flower and the yellow flower to be the door handles on the way out. There's door handles on each side. I really want this one. Let's go get it done. You guys love it? If you love it, please subscribe. Because I love it. I want this one. Let's go. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Woohoo. Whoa, this one's so cool. Hi. See you later, alligators. Subscribe to my channel. You guys, this is so good. Oh my gosh. I really do like this part. This part is my favorite. I can't wait to get my hair done. Oh, I wish she had the hair, but I like it on her. I can't wait. Let's get my hair done. Let's get my hair done. and we'll replace your old hair. Is it ready yet? Hold still, darling. I can't wait to see. Still. Go in the mirror. You guys, this is a genius. Come on, honey. Well, I want to get a haircut. Not until you're a little older. Mom says you can't get one. And that's actually up to me. And what do you think? No. Which one would you like when you grow up? I would like this one. But that's my old hair. I know, but I want it. You'll never look as good as me. Never? Never. Alright. Alright, bye. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. I know I already said that 3 times. Bye.